There's the dome. I want some chichua in my life. Chichua! Good morning, and what a beautiful morning it is in Lanzarote. Which morning is this? Morning 2? Day 3 though, isn't it?
Yep.
No, day 2. Yesterday was day 1. I've lost track already. You're right, Thursday night, it's now Saturday morning. Lovely beautiful morning, we're going down for breakfast. It's a lot sunnier this morning than it was yesterday morning. What are you fancying for breakfast today, Lace? Who? Oh. I thought she said Cocoa Pops. You look tired. What are you fancying? I fancy pancakes today, as long as I can squirt some orange juice on it. And shopping, Mum?
I'm not feeling it today, I'm tired.
We've all woke up really tired today. Didn't really have a late night last night.
There's a ghost in our room. It shook my bed last night.
You know what? Go back to the Mallorca vlogs from last year, and I'm sure she said there was a ghost in the room then too.
Oh, yeah, there was a ghost in the room last night.
Ghost in the room last night. Have you heard her?
Mate, I swear to God, last night I woke up and I thought somebody was actually shaking my bed. There's something in the vodka in this place.
Just realised, I'm not sure if you can actually hear us properly because it is very windy. But we're going for food anyway. See you in a bit. Right, we've come around the main pool today. The main pool is huge. A couple of slides over there. Already Lacey and the K-Dog are in there. Straight in. Now, the only downside to this pool, she's got to wear her armbands because even though she can swim, obviously she's still a beginner. She can't touch the floor anywhere in this whole pool. Neither can the K-Dog, to be fair, but he can swim anyway. This bit at the edge, that you can see now, is the only non-deep part. 16 pools this hotel has, and it's only the 40 little splash pools where you can touch the floor. It's none really that's really shallow, so the only downside to this huge pool is no shallow bits. It's another red hot day. Definitely in the 30s again today. It's windy, so you can probably not hear me properly on the camera. Now, Sharpie Mum, she's been to the toilet, but you have to walk past the bar. The rule is, every time you walk past the bar, you bring a drink. Does she bring a drink? No. Nutter. The rule should be, every time you walk past the bar, you bring a drink with you.
I did nearly do it, did nearly. The only thing is, there is no public toilets. I can't find my way back to go all the way back to the room.
So do what I do, pee in the pool.
That is a bit bad actually, I think that's bad.
I don't really pee in the pool before I get some nasty comments.
But I hope you
I
don't
pee in the sea though, because that's the law. Alright. I get bored sitting around the pool all day, so I've come for a walk around the hotel grounds. Come across a lake. I found some fish. I have biscuits. Right, these fish are greedy. I'm going to hold the camera, hang on. Let me put my biscuits down on the floor. Watch this. Watch how greedy these are. Look at that. I love it. Oh, one of these in my back garden, look, it's huge. You could definitely easily get lost in in these hotel grounds. Honestly, it is massive, absolutely massive. Like I said, each little block like that has its own pool. Right, I think I found the spa and the gym, which is this area here. Definitely found the spa and the gym. Just gotta work out how to get in. Found the gym. I'm gonna go and use that in a bit. My kids are doing me head in.
Their shop. Doing something really weird. Don't know what he's doing.
We are the Kiwis.
We are the Kiwis, the Kiwis, the Kiwis.
Think you're gonna walk into it?
Oh, just walked into a tree.
Hello there, tree.
Hello, tree. Tonight is Chinese night. That is duck. Duck.
Daddy.
Tonight, Matthew, we have gone for Chinese. Bit of duck, chicken satay, chicken lemon, rice. Even Lacey's enjoying it, and she's normally that fussy. She's got noodles, and that's her second bowl of rice. Oh, long pasta, sorry, they look like noodles from here. And some prawn crackers.
I didn't know there was.
Even the K-Dog has filled his plate with Chinese. He loves Chinese as well. Alright, duck. Got some duck. Hey, duck. This duck's now been devoured, duck. Do you like the duck?
You didn't run out of duck.
Oh, I should have had some duck. Alright, duck. I'm having some duck. You want some duck? Right, so we have the new model, which is Lacey. Lacey is wearing these clothes. No idea where they're from. She's now walking down the catwalk. There you go, strutting her stuff. She's wearing a pink unicorn t-shirt, probably from Asda or Primark, a nice stripy skirt and some jelly bean shoes. There's the dome. We're missing the kids' disco. We can hear rum som som. She's gonna miss the disco. Come on, Lady Loop. We're gonna miss the disco. I want some chichua in my life. Chichua! Company! Look at this. Chichua, chichua, wah, wah. Chichua, 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 wah, wah. your mouth out. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Right, we're following this windy path. We came to see the waterfall, but the waterfall had turned off. Turned it off at night time. Hey, Lace, you've gone the wrong way. Got to carry on. See, look, takes you down. Windy, windy. Oh, going into the dark now. Don't know if you can see, shopping maniacs. Oh, a bridge. Who's that drip dropping over my bridge?
A potato.
Someone just touched my leg. Someone just touched my leg.
Yeah,
Someone
it was
just
you,
touched my leg, guys.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was you.
Hi guys, we've come to the sports bar here at the hotel. Although I won't really say it's much of a sports bar.
It's another canteen.
It's more like a canteen with tellies on the wall. But Sharpie Mom has a new therapeutic thing to do.
I've got a new love interest.
She wants to feel a bag full of piles.
Look at this. Oh, it feels amazing. Look at that.
The kids have already spent euros on rubbish on the grabbing machines. Nice.
That's awesome, awesome. I don't know who's having more fun in this bar, me or the kids.
Well, you obviously, because the kids aren't really having fun.
Can I have a go with this? No, good, that's right then. Oh, look at that one, look at that one.
It's strange.
Oh look, it's sticking out. Oh,
It's dark. The girls have gone to bed. It's left to the boys. He's on the Blue Lagoon cocktails. Tasty.
Non-alcoholic.
Non-alcoholic. Well, obviously. But it's gave you two for some reason. Right. We're off.
Oh, look, it's a pun.
Oh, look, it's a pineapple. It is a pineapple. Whoa.
Big banana.
Oh, he used to be a footballer. What was his name? Played for Forest. Jason Lawrence, I think it was. He's got a pineapple on his head. He's got a pineapple on his head. Right. We're just deciding what to do. Slurp it, slurp it.